All right, we're back. We're back for the second set. I'm going to pick up number 3 because I omitted that in the first set. Then I got 6, 7, 8, and 9 rolling in this next set. So first up, let's take a look at number 3. What do we got here? Oh, boy. It looks like O is coming in and kicking H out. And H is combining with another oxygen. The best fit, and it's not a perfect fit, the best fit there, I would classify that as a single. Again, that would be the best fit. It's not an exact match, but it's as close to the 5 types as we're going to get. So let's balance this out. We've got, I'm going to go with a 3-2 scenario because I have 3 hydrogens here and I have 2 hydrogens here. So that's where I'm going to try. I'm going to try that first. I'm going to put a 3 there and a 2 there, and I'm going to see where that leads me. Okay. Well, I'm even on nitrogen now. So I've got 2 here, so I'm even here. I'm odd here, but I need to be even. So I'm going to put a 2 there, and I'm going to go even. So let's check the O count next. So we're good on nitrogen and we're good on hydrogen. We got to do the oxygen count. 2 times 1 is 2 here. 3 times 1 is 3 here. And we have 5. Yeah. Okay, we're going to be odd. So it looks like we're going to have to do a 5/2. And then we're going to go back and multiply by 2, so that becomes a 4. That stays a 5. That becomes a 4. And that becomes a 6. That was a little challenging. Let's see, the next one for type. We've got cation, anion, cation, anion. That would make it a double replacement. And let's see here, where do we want to start? We can start with hydrogen or sodium. I'm going to start with sodium. I have 3 here, so I'm going to place 3 here because I need 3 on sodium. Let's see, it gives me 3 BRs, and I need 3 BRs, so I'm going to need a 3 there. And that takes care of hydrogen because I have a 3 on H. And I have a 3 on H here. I'm good on hydrogen. I'm good on phosphate. I have 1 and 1. Am I missing anything? No, that looks good. That is balanced. We are on to the next one. Let's take a look. This looks like synthesis. A plus B makes AB. Yeah, that's synthesis. So let's start with hydrogen. We've got multiples of 2 and 6. So I'm going to need 6 here. That's where I'm going to start. So if I need 6, 2 goes into 6 3 times. 3 times 2 gets me my 6. And then I just balance the carbon out because here I'm going to need 3. That takes care of that. On to number 8. Let's see here. We got type. We got cation, anion, cation, anion. That's going to be a double. Okay. So let's see what we got. Where do we start? I'm going to start here. This O2 here, this oxygen is even. So this is odd, but I'm going to make it even by putting a 2 there. And now I'm not odd, I am even. So I can jump on to calcium. Calcium here is even. I need to make calcium here even. Right now it's odd, but to make it even I put a 2 there, and now calcium's even. And I check my I's. I've got 2 times 2, I have 4 I's here and 4 I's here. Okay. That looks good. Manganese is 1 and 1, that's done, so that one's balanced. Okay, we're just cruising. Number 9, we've got, let's see, looks like we're combining, well, let's see, iron, hydroxide. The best fit looks like synthesis because we're adding H to this thing and we already have oxygen. So I'm going to go with a synthesis on this as a best fit. You possibly, well, you really, yes, because you got the single product, you got to go synthesis. A plus B makes AB. That's the best fit. Now let's see what we got. We got 3 hydrogens. So I'm going to try a 3-2 scenario here. I've got 2 there on hydrogen. I've got 3 here on hydrogen. So I'm going to bring a 3 here and a 2 there. And I'm going to see where that gets me. So total O's on this count. I've got 3 times 1. I've got 3 here. And I've got 3 here. 3 plus 3. So I have a total of 6 on O. And I have 3 times 2 is 6 on O. Do I have 6 hydrogens? Yes, 3 times. I've done hydrogen. I have 2 irons. Yeah, that one's balanced. And that is 3 plus 6 through 9. That set's good to go.